Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Mint Mobile internationally. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. But first, check out the link below. My partner Mint Mobile gave it to me. It essentially gives you a great discount off of their plans. So the first thing that we're going to do is head into the App Store or Google Play Store, and we're just going to search for Mint Mobile here. And you're going to download and install the app. You can do this all directly in the app. And once you've got it, basically you're going to sign in using your phone number and your password. And now that we're on here, you can see dashboard. We're going to tap on account at the bottom right. And here you can see, if you scroll down a bit, you can see add international roaming. Basically, you can add credit on here. So how much credit do you need? Let's say 20 bucks. And it says, all right, $20 in international roaming. The payment method will be my PayPal or whatever you card have on file, anything like that. There's a recovery fee and taxes, and then just hit checkout. Now, keep in mind, you will see on here the international balance go from 0 to whatever you paid. So you can basically constantly upkeep this. You can go in here if you're traveling. You can check it if it starts to get low. You can just top it up and add more balance on here. You can see on here that it never expires at the very bottom. And then you can use the unused credits each and every month. They just roll over from one month over to the next month. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.